held it up like this, and then like we opened up the mouth, right? So we cut along the sides, and what was that structure, that long tube structure? So the esophagus is going to be the part that's going to allow the food to travel down, right? So we saw that that's like the open. So then we laid the dorsal side. We laid it on this dorsal side, and this is the ventral side. So then what did we do? We tried to identify like cutting through some skin, and then we pulled this part back and noticed that this was
the muscle.
That was the muscle. Okay. So then we did a cut up here. We were able to pull a flap back, and then we pulled this back. Some of our frogs in the class had some black and white structures on them. What were those? So if this one doesn't have black and white structures, that means that this is a what type of frog? A male frog. Good. So we said this was our, that was the liver, right? Good. So that was the liver. What was the structure that's in the male frog that's going to help identify that it's a male frog?
But I don't know the name.
It's like the testes. Good. There are some other structures that are also in here. We have the esophagus. This looks like, look, if we pull up right here, this looks like this tube is kind of coming from the mouth. And that tube is coming from the mouth. That has to be what structure? The esophagus. And that's the esophagus is gonna lead into what structure? The stomach. And then the stomach is gonna lead into something that's small and large.
The large
small intestine and the large intestines. Okay, so if I were to pull up my intestines, I would find two structures on the very back of the frog, and that would be what?
The kidneys.
And the kidney is a part of what system?
The excretory.
Because excrete means to do what?
Exit
or get rid of something. And what are you getting rid of through your kidneys? Waste. Good. What other structure, it starts with a C, is on the frog, and it's like an exit way, a passageway? The cloaca. Good. So that's the way for the excretory system. And what's the other system?
Reproductive.
Good job. Reproductive. Did you guys enjoy dissecting the frogs?
Yes. It was all right.
It was all right?
Disgusted, but it was fun.
But you were actually, you reached out, you kind of like went for it, right? So now you never know when you'll get another experience like this. So I'm proud of you guys for stepping out of your comfort zone and doing something that you initially came in here and was like, oh my gosh, I'm not even touching that thing. But you guys got it. Is there anything else about the frog that we didn't mention that you want to point out?
I want to know what that is.
What is this orange structure? I'm not actually sure what that orange structure might be. You could have like fat pads and things like that in the frog, kind of as like a supportive, like temperature regulation type of thing. So we could say that could be what it is. But that's pretty much it. Oh, what's the